Time to write code on VBA. What do all these commands mean? I'm scared that my computer hang. I'm a tech dinosaur. Time to write code on VBA. Never done such a thing before. Why is there so many things to note? I'm a tech dinosaur, so I don't get it. VBA got error, I don't understand it. Starting to feel horror. Holding maze game, feel like in a maze game. Running round the void game, help me out this maze game. I'm a dinosaur. Duh. I'm a dinosaur. Time to write code on VBA, starting to get a hang of this. It's not so scary anymore. I am evolving. Time to write code on VBA. It's not so bad at all. I think I am getting the hang of this. I am the Hackerman. Not scared of errors, learning from my mistakes. Really like this. VBA is awesome. Coding maze game, feel like in a maze game. Getting out the maze game, winning at the maze game. I'm the Hackerman. I'm the Hackerman.